So when we talk about shifting the mindset, so what are the things that you think one should know about?
So Tushar, you'll be surprised to know that according to a survey, about 75% of people in the world have the fear of public speaking.
Yep.
हालांकि हमको पता नहीं है इस बारे में, बट सम पीपल एक्चुअली फियर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग मोर देन दे फियर डेथ. अब इतना ज़्यादा फियर क्यों है, ये कहाँ से आता है? बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं और यहाँ पे हम एक पूरा मास्टर क्लास कर सकते हैं, बट जस्ट टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपल फॉर द ऑडियंस, मैं 2-3 टर्मिनोलॉजीज समझाना चाहूँगी. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ दिस एंटायर fear of public speaking has a technical term, and that is glossophobia, right? And there's a lot of research that is happening on this subject, and I feel that this fear is growing not by the minute but by the second. With the infusion of social media, the FOMO that we're experiencing, ChatGPT, हम हमारी आवाज़ तो भूल ही गए हैं, and that is why glossophobia is increasing a lot. The second terminology that I want to talk about is something called ostracism. Ostracism is actually seclusion from a society or a tribe. Okay. Now back in the days when we were hunters and we lived in caves, हमारे लिए सर्वाइवल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता था, और अगर आपने goof up किया तो शेर आया और आप मर गए. Right? It was survival of the fittest. So there was no opportunity for anyone to goof up. And if you goofed up, then the tribe would not kill you. What they would do is they would seclude you from the tribe. And if you were secluded from the tribe, you could not survive alone. You would eventually die. So goofing up had a very high price to pay. This fear has been passed on to us through archetypes and through generations. The fear of goofing up, the fear of being judged, the fear of making mistakes, because उसकी सज़ा बहुत बड़ी होती थी. So now when we are in front of people talking and somebody makes fun of us, they're judging us, or we goof up, it actually boils down to me feeling that I could be ostracized.
Right. I think
Which
it is about validation, how people will react before we reach out to them.
Yeah.
And then that fits into your mind, and then automatically you get scared.
Yeah. So I always tell people that you don't have the fear of public speaking, you have the fear of judgment, you have the fear of criticism, and you have the fear of failure. तो हमारी आवाज़ को दबाया जाता है as kids, right? And how you speak today and the fears that you carry today is a result of a lot that has happened in your childhood.
Right.
For sure. So what we need to realize that there could be some unfinished business in childhood, right? And a lot of my fears could be coming from there.